Okay, so this is a Cafe Moraine program. I'm going to throw a few techniques into this and maybe stretch it over a couple of videos, but basically I'm still on the parallel lists technique. So I have these menu items. I have a list called menu items where I have the actual names of the items that we're selling today at Cafe Moraine, okay? So then I have menu picks in parallel with the menu items list, and so I will show the picture for each of those items. So it's very important that this, like this, for example, is the French fry emoji, and that matches up. So it's in position 0, or the first position, because the French fries are in the first position. It's up to me to get everything in the right place. This is the pizza emoji because the pizza is the second one in the menu list. And then the sandwich and so on. So I was very careful to make sure I got the right thing in the right place. All right. And then the same thing with the prices. Now I made up these prices, but it was important to get the right thing in the right place. So the French fries, those are pretty cheap. They're $2.95. We have pizza, we have the salad, which is the more expensive item. So you get the idea. You know what? I think just for the sake of this tutorial, you know what? I think let's see, the burrito. Let's say burritos are on special and they're just $2.50 today. I'm going to change the burrito to $2.50. This will come into play later, but yeah, okay. So anyway, I am going to loop through these lists in parallel using the technique that we used in the last video, a for loop with a range function. Okay. I did not hard code a number here. I think there are 6 items. Could I have hard coded a 6? Yeah, I could have. I could have put a 6 in there. It would work just fine, but this is a busy cafe. Items are being added and removed all the time. I don't want to have to. It would be like trying to hit a moving target to try to, keep that number straight. So I'll just plug in the len function. Any one of these, because they're all the same length, I'm just going to drop that into the len function, and however many there are, that's how many times the loop will go. And then for the print, I'm using an F string with placeholders, and then I'm just reaching into my lists and printing the contents of the list using the loop counter Z, just some arbitrary letter, arbitrary little variable name that I came up with, Z, and I'm just reaching into those lists using the loop counter as the list index. I'm also using the line up technique. Well, you can see this is the output. It looks pretty good. So this, for example, this first column, I have put that emoji, each emoji, into a column width of 7 spaces or 7 characters. You see, I put a 7 there. Okay, these are strings, so by default they're left aligned. It wouldn't hurt anything if I, did that, but it's not necessary. Default is left alignment for strings or text data. Okay, so the picture and the menu item are going to be left aligned anyway. So this is 7 characters. I made that 7. The names of the things I put in a column of 15. So this is 15 characters total, left aligned. Okay, and then you really don't have to line up the last one. It's just going to fall into place. It's just going to bump up against where the previous one left off, which is right here. So you can see these are being just lining up, just falling into place without any effort. I did set the decimal precision to money, okay, 2 decimals. And yeah, so I think I'll end this video, but I'm going to continue on with a new technique with the same program in the next video.